In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bribe the local authority in OpenTTD. So bribing local authorities is actually fairly straightforward. All you actually need to do is come over to the town itself that you're interested in bribing. We go ahead and click the title here, and that will bring up the overview of the city itself. And down here, you can see that we have coverage, which just shows you where the coverage of the town is in terms of the buildings. And then we have the local authority tab. In here, you can see a list of options to do with the town itself. So we've got things like a small advertising campaign, build a statue, but at the bottom here, you can see that we do have the bribe the local authority option. And if I press do it, that will actually bribe the local authority and hopefully bring up our reputation. So you can see here that right now I have a mediocre reputation. And by doing this, I've now changed it to good for the cost of £512,000. So it is not cheap. It is worth mentioning, though, that this does not always guarantee you the chance of going up. You can get caught doing this. There is a risk to it where if I keep doing it, for example, I've just got very good again and I've run out of money, but occasionally I can get caught. And if I get caught, that will effectively penalize me and not allow me to build. So it is a very risky thing to do, but that is how you bribe the local authority in OpenTTD.